Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and I am working
Where
my
are
way
you?
through Spider-Man, and I am chasing Venom, and he has come up with a mind-boggling puzzle for this
Mary
scientist.
Jane won't last much longer.
I bet the right
Now, the usual
combination
thing with
switches
Venom is he wants to
all
kill
of the sewer
me,
pass gates.
but usually other innocents are not
Guess again.
what he cares about. The pure hatred of Eddie Brock and the symbiote
What,
creates
stupid?
Venom, who wants to kill me. Alright, I think I got the pattern down here.
What is taking you so long? Guess again.
Alright, nice. Shoot and miss.
Better try another one.
Alright, square one.
Mary Jane won't last much longer. Guess again. Ooh, look at the big brain on Spidey.
There.
So he calls me
That's the
Spidey
last
now. A
switch.
few moments, a little while earlier, and I think later he's going to call me Parker. Can't seem to make up his mind. Alright, thanks for watching.
Come back here, Venom!
Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and I am the old man in question.
Come to Papa.
That's a great laugh. Alright. Oh, wait. I'll let him do the exposition.
Find Mary Jane. I'm gonna need
You
to
mean this
crawl
grating
on
that I've
grating
been
to
crawling
get
on
past
for
this
about
water.
10 seconds before you said that? Oop. Now, what function does that serve?
Starting to sweat here,
Right now I'm Parker.
Itsy bitsy spider.
Rose!
Oh. That's right, just stand there and let him hit you. Ah, the lizard.
The lizard!
He just said that.
Knew it.
Spider-Man! Venom has imprisoned me and has taken my lair. Now he's using my
Yeah, I kind of
men
figured that out.
against you.
No.
He's also imprisoned
Wow, you know who she
that
is?
Parker woman.
Where is she?
She's in the lair at the end of the maze. There's only one way to get there. Go back along this tunnel and cross over two
sewage waste.
waterways. At the third waterway, go right. Follow it around the corners, past the machinery, skip the first tunnel intersection, then go right at the next one. You will find the woman there.
Oh, and by the way, Lizard, when this is all over and you're stuck in that
Well, look
spot,
what I
maybe
found.
if I'm nice, I'll come back and let you out. I mean, you did just help me, and otherwise you probably, not do too well locked up with no one remembering you're there. I realize a lot of this stuff that I've been dealing with has probably been the Wizard's setup, but how did Venom get his hands on all of it and make all of it work for him? Well, it's a good thing there's water everywhere.
Oh, you're hot,
Alright, there's some...
brains. Yummy.
Yuck!
Alright, I think there's some health here somewhere. Health or webbing, which really, webbing's okay. No? Of course, fighting now is pointless. The only reason to fight him now is just to get him to disappear, because you're not doing any damage that's saved for the next level. Alright, that'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching.
My. Send the spider to the smaller spider.